Welcome back to your channel.
Yeah.
Guess what? Are you ready to do some magic today?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Are you dancing on this? Do some spins. Do some spins. Come here. Can brother do spins with you?
Sure.
Okay, magic spins. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Spin faster. Spins faster. Spins faster. Whoa, Ellie! Look at what you got.
Look it.
You got a game. Do you want to play the game?
Yeah.
All right. Whoa! Shake, shake, shake. Whoa. All right, we gotta set these up. Do you know how to set these up? We're gonna put these on your head and you're gonna have to try to use these balls to knock them down. Oh no! The wind's blowing them down. We got all the bowling pins on the ground. Some of them are red and some of them are green. Ellie, can you show me a red one, please?
Yeah.
Where's the red one at? Oh yeah, all the red ones. Oh, what color is that?
Green.
Green. Okay, what team do you want to be on? Red team or green team?
Green team.
Green team. All right, we gotta put this on your head. This is your crown. You need to swing your head back and forth, causing your ball to swing, and you have to hit the green one. Do you think you can do that?
Yeah.
Let's see you do it. No, not with your hand. You gotta use your head. Swing your head, Ellie. Oh, that's close. Do it. Ellie can do it. Oh! Come on, Ellie. Can Ellie do it? Who can knock all their colors down first?
Me.
They get a prize.
Me. Wait, prize?
They get a prize.
Me.
All right, get ready. You guys gotta start over there. You gotta knock down all the green ones, Ellie. And guess what? If brother knocks down a color that's not his, he loses automatically, okay? So team green is Ellie, team red is Zay. You cannot use your hands, Zay. You have to use your head, okay? Ready, set, go. Whoa.
I can't get it.
Come on, Ellie, get it.
Come on.
Get it. Look at Zay go. Oh, Ellie got one.
Got one?
Hit it, Ellie. Hit it, Ellie. Come on. Oh, she got another one, Zay. She needs 2 more. Go, Ellie.
No.
Zay's having a little trouble. Zay's using his hands and he shouldn't. Zay's cheating. Ellie got 1 more.
No.
Who can do it last? Come on, Ellie. Hit it, Ellie. Hit it, Ellie. Oh. Hit it. Oh. You guys tied. You want to do it again? Okay. That was a practice round, okay? All right, let's try it again. We're gonna go ahead and start over.
Oh, I did it.
What are you doing, Ellie? You hit my car.
Again?
Think fast, car.
No.
It's hard. I thought this was gonna be like a fun, easy video, but then when I started going, I was like,
Daddy, my hair fall.
Get set. Go! Go, Ellie, get the green. Oh, brother got one. Oh, Ellie got one. I knocked one down. Come on, Ellie, over here, baby, over here. Look at Zay go, guys. Come on, Ellie. Oh! Zay, she's on number 3. Number 4. Ellie, you can win. Come on, Ellie. Oh! Do your winning dance. What happened? G-R-E-E-N spells green.
This letter.
Can I try to beat Zay? 5.
wait,
No, not you.
What?
5, 6, 7.
No. 5. 4.
No, not you.
3.
4, not you. 4, 5, 6.
Go.
Wait, I got it tied around.
Oh yeah, baby.
I got it tied around my hand.
2. 3. 4. I'm the winner. Look at me, Ellie. Look at me. Oh. Oh no. Oh no, guys. I stepped on it. No. I'm so sad.
That's crazy.
They're doing it on their neck now. Look at this. Yeah.
I'm gonna beat you till, yeah. Ow!
Don't hit brother. Be nice, Ellie. That's gonna hurt him. All right, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Use your next. Use your next. Look at Zay. Whoa, he got one. Oh, he got two.
Hey, you're knocking down mine.
Ellie got one. Come on, Ellie.
I won.
Nope, keep going, Ellie.
I won.
Come on, moms. Get it.
Oh, Ellie did?
Woo, it's right there. Come on. Yes! One more.
Yay!
Ellie.
Ellie, say ya, say ya.
Your prize is a hug. Come here. You want a hug? You want the prize? Ellie got the prize. Yay. You want a surprise? All right, you ready? Listen. Do you hear that? Look it. This is your surprise. Ready? Here it comes.
Wait, no, look at it. Put your head under it.
Zay wants you to put your head under it, right? Come here, buddy, so you can see this one. Yeah, because you wanted to get your sister. You want to get your sister wet? Brother wanted you to get wet, so you're gonna get wet.
That's not nice. I won't do it to you. No, yeah.
No!
Yeah. I won't do it to you.
No! You can't do it to Hey! You got my camera dirty.
A birthday?
Oh, I hate you. No, you got my socks wet.
Daddy, how about you?
No, you're not gonna get me dirty.
Please.